Hey YouTube, Wagwan. I know it's been such a long time since I came on YouTube. I'm missing a really lots. Basically, it's been a while. I'm sorry I missed you guys so much. I've been so busy, but I got some good news. Guess who's going to Jamaica? This girl. Jamaica, woo! So I'm super excited that I'm going to Jamaica. Today I'm actually going to a Caribbean festival. I'm gonna take you guys on that. I just tell him to go buy me patty. Basically, me want some Jamaican beef patty. That's what that means. So go buy me patty, right?
That's not it.
Where keep eating? If you're talking to people, then you better talk to them, right?
That's not it. You say, oh, go buy me some patty. Like, really? Oh, can you buy me some patty?
He's trying to speak regular, bro. This is how the Jamaican dress with them tight pants.
No tight pants for the road here.
A tight pants this.
Tight pants for the road here.
They see them dress and they look different too. They might chill out by themselves.
You know.
Woo! We keep doing that annoying thing.
Yeah, something different.
You know why we are chill out by
tight pants with dress shoes.
You know.
Where's that?
Girl, what are you?
What does that mean?
You don't know what it means. You look so.
That's the real Jamaican. Me not the real Jamaican, right?
Yeah.
Right?
You're Jamaican, but you don't speak that way.
I do speak that way. What's wrong with my speaking?
You don't know patwa?
I do know patwa.
You talk it now?
Me I talk it right now.
They don't say no.
Exactly. Where speak the real patwa? Let's speak patwa.
Patwa.
Go ahead, speak.
Text me. Well, I know. Sister text me about.
That's how you speak the real Jamaican patwa. I can't speak as great as this one over here, so. Where's sister text you, girl? A man I text you, you talk about sister text you, you see? See you like she like? A man I text her instead of a girl. Because when a girl I text you, you don't smile like that at all, right, Stacey?
I'm a sister text me.
I saw she say, alright then. Say hello. Hi. Which was hi YouTubers, we love you. I'm here at the Caribbean Fest. And I'm going to Jamaica this year. Look, they're going to speak the patwa language. Come on, mommy, let's say that.
Jamaica, when they buy an
speak in Jamaica.
Jamaica with accent, sauces, and dumplings.
Caribbean Festival, and this is my Jamaican Jamaica.
And I was like, but wait a minute, Kingston's a little place. If everybody come from the place with a capsize, everybody's from Kingston. You know, say, I see this man and he said, what?
You hear them say a lie, them a tell me, them a lie. You hear?
This one is Blackout 77. Foreign people always give Jamaican bad name. Them always say we bright. But me never know so them did bright. Till Blackout 77 in the Big Apple 77 July. Blackout 77, me laugh so till me never cry. Me never
yeah, them must say laugh, meaning you're laughing, they're smiling, ha ha ha.
Miss Jane says she get color TV, bed and veranda chair. Liza says she get watch, gold chain and gold teeth. So she didn't mind at all because fear wedding band well said. Mrs. Mimasa, me never see so much people go to jail at the time. You want to see Miss Lou said that fear Auntie Rochi said that my nana Rochi tell her said she hears her name is Lou and it's easy for call for Sue. So she just pay her light bill before it June. Mrs. Mimasa.
Take the lead, take the speed. Wind up your body like you never seen. Let me know you have everything. Yo, girl, you have the thing when me have to get. You're sexy on it and you have to yet. You don't need a trick or the cash you make. Man, I wonder how you don't get captured yet. I know that you a live life after sex. I will be the club like your last connect. Body fresh, not fix up after wreck. Like car with the junkyard, not honest. Speak a car, you never take a taxi yet. You don't must come in for the factory set. Now the club a shake up like you have to rest. Flying a plane out for helicopter next. Let me tell you why they might hate. Cause you walk up out big like
Woo, YouTubers!
You text the wife and bend it down. Over back break to take this on. We some face to people. I said the boyfriend a protect the bag. Soon as him left, she take the log. She come straight to me, no take no corner. She jump on the hoodie when make she bad. You wonder why she cheating. She tired of the pencil, she want the katana. Give me the thing for the doctor order. Give me the thing for the doctor order. Yeah, yeah, boy. And give me